How do I find the unknown program enabled during startup? I am using a computer with Windows 10 and, as a normal procedure to reduce the boot time, I in NBSP, accessed the task manager and checked what was enabled during the startup. When I opened that tab, I saw a program called Program, without publisher information, which I have now disabled. After that, I went straight to the control panel and GT, Programs and Features, in order to find out what the program is and to delete it. However, nothing with that name appears. Given that, assuming that I don't know since when do I have that program on this computer, how can I know what this program is, so that I can decide on whether to remove it or not?
You can go to Microsoft Downloads, sysinternals and get autoruns 64-bit, download it here. Download it, install it and run it and see if it shows you the program on your computer. For your specific problem, access the Logon tab. Yellow highlighted sections in the autoruns display are errors and can be deleted. That should solve your problem.
You can right-click on an entry and click Open File Location, which leads you to the directory where the program is installed. As mentioned in the comments by Ishmael Miguel, this answer only applies to Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, and the Windows Server variants. For Windows 7 and older, you need to use msconfig.
Startup entries are in the registry at software/Microsoft/current version/run, and software/while6432note / for 32-bit programs. There is one of these keys for each user and machine. For the current session, that would be under key_local_machine and key_current_user. Any shortcuts in the Start menu group called Startup, Microsoft /Windows/Start menu /Programs/Startup, will also be run. Again, there are both per user and per machine locations, under %users profile % and %of data % for the current session. Additionally, a scheduled task can be set to run at boot or login. This data is also in the registry, Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /schedule, but in a much more complex format. This can be explored with the Task Scheduler app.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.